Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today, I wanted to talk about why Bitcoin was designed to go up in price forever. There are a few different factors that contribute to this. There is the finite supply of 21 million coins, and that supply of coins is to last civilization for the end of time. We have to make that 21 million coins last. So right now there are somewhere around 19 million coins in circulation, and so every 4 years the new amount of coins that gets put into circulation for that 4 year period gets cut in half, and that's what creates the finite Bitcoin supply curve. And then by the year 2140, all of the Bitcoin will have been mined. And then Bitcoin miners will just be incentivized to mine and maintain the network just based on transaction fees. And there will no longer be a mining block reward for mining a new block on the network. And Bitcoin is designed to go up forever because there are constantly going to be lost keys. We see this from Bitcoin's early days where people, when Bitcoin wasn't worth much, they would lose their keys, and some of that Bitcoin, of that 21 million, anywhere from 2 to 4 billion coins, depending on the estimate, will be estimated to be lost forever because people no longer have access to their keys. And this will continue to happen throughout history as people pass on, and if they didn't have a setup for their inheritance, their keys could potentially be lost. People could just be forgetful and lose their keys somehow, or there could be a natural disaster. So that is constantly factors towards Bitcoin being taken off the supply forever. In addition to that, there's also the factor of dollar inflation. The amount of dollars is constantly increasing, so the price of Bitcoin will naturally increase to match that because there can't be any more Bitcoin to be created, but the supply of dollars that is chasing the same amount of Bitcoin is increasing. So that is just another factor that causes Bitcoin to go up forever. And then there is the third aspect of Bitcoin going up forever, which is the adoption curve and Bitcoin eating into other assets in the world, like bonds and real estate. Right now, we need assets like real estate and bonds just to maintain our purchasing power. But when people see that Bitcoin is a superior store of value, they will start to move money from those assets into Bitcoin, and we're already seeing that happen. When you compare Bitcoin to an asset like real estate, which at this point is mostly used as a vehicle to maintain purchasing power in a inflationary dollar world, Bitcoin is a safe haven, and there are so many factors within real estate like maintenance costs, taxes, interest. All these factors make it a poor store of value because there are so many additional costs. With Bitcoin, you just buy a piece of the network, you buy your stake in the network, and those coins that you own will always be that set percentage of the network. And these coins that you own, you can rest assured knowing your purchasing power will be safe, and there's no other startup or maintenance costs involved with it. You just buy whatever amount of Bitcoin that you're able to for the future and hold it and wait. There's never been a period of time, a 4 year period within Bitcoin's history, where if you just bought and held that you would have lost money. So those are the factors that contribute to Bitcoin's number go up forever technology. If you found this information helpful, please let me know by leaving a like and a comment on this video. And if you have any other questions for more in-depth topics about Bitcoin, please let me know as well. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.